All right, hey, we're gonna go to Argentina and drink some white wine. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And white wine from Arizona, from Argentina, you say? Yeah, I'm saying it. We're drinking a Torrontes today, and Torrontes is a white wine native to Argentina. Worth exploring. I've had a couple of bottles recently, and I felt like it wasn't something that was on my radar, and I really enjoyed the bottles, and I decided that it was something that needed to be explored, and something that you guys should be trying to find. So Torrontes is it's like I said, white grape, native to Argentina, medium weight, light to medium, peaches, apricots, citrus, some floral notes. Generally, the aromas and flavors you get when you're drinking a good Torrontes. The acidity is not going to be too high, right? But it's going to be medium, right? It'll be good acid. It's not going to be flat or anything like that. But it's manageable, and I find that Torrontes wines are friendly, right? So you can think about some wines you need to cozy up with. It takes a little time to get to know them and really understand what they're about before you really like them. Torrontes generally are friendly wines that are immediately likable. Hopefully this Piatelli wine will actually prove to meet that profile. We're drinking a 2019 Piatelli Vineyards Torrontes from the Cafayate Valley in Salta. So one of the better known regions in Argentina. And let's see what we get. Maybe I'm gonna hate it. No, I won't hate it, but it's funny. I said you'd get some citrus notes. I wasn't expecting something that was leaning towards grapefruit, and this is definitely leaning towards grapefruit. I'm getting some herbal notes in here too. A touch of like a honeysuckle also. So there's some flowers, some herbs, and grapefruit. I was expecting something that was a little more peachy and apricot-y. Let's see what it tastes like on the palate. More lemony herbal wine this is. I like it. It has a little bit more grassy notes than a Sauvignon Blanc. So, not necessarily than a New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc, but it's more herbal than grass, more herbal than it's more lemon than grapefruit. It's really light on the palate, nice and easy. Again, what are you gonna do when you see a wine of this color? Fish, shellfish, roasted chicken, some salads, sushi. It'll all work. And this is definitely an outdoor wine for the summer, right? So over the last few episodes, we've been kind of exploring some white wines, and some of them, even though they were perfect summer wines, I was saying some of them were sort of like indoor wines, right? I didn't envision having them out by the pool when you were just having a glass of wine. It was more that you were having a nice dinner inside after a day at the beach. This is definitely an outdoor wine. Easy to drink by itself, easy to drink with any sort of snack. I really like the combination of the citrus and the herbs though in the nose. It's pretty. I was gonna say, but you get that floral note too, so it is a really pretty nose. Good stuff. Worth finding. fresh and distinctive on the nose with aromas of white flowers and tropical fruits, which linger into a long, silky finish. That's fairly accurate. Again, I'm getting more citrus, less tropical fruits, but I think it kind of gives you the essence of what is in the bottle. So get out there, try a Torrontes, report back in the comments. I want to know that you had a Torrontes and hopefully you enjoyed it. And I'm not going to get any hate mail in the comments because the Torrontes that you picked up was the worst one you ever had. I doubt you'll find that. So don't only think of Argentina as red wine Malbec land. They do whites too. I'll see you next time, folks. Cheers.